Hello.
Hi,
What is your name?
my name is Sarah.
What do you do for work?
I'm teacher.
Are you married?
No, I am not married.
Where are you from?
I am from Canada.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Can you help me?
Of course, what do you need?
Would you like some tea?
Yes, please.
How was your weekend?
It was relaxing.
Do you have any plans for tomorrow?
Not yet.
Have you ever been to Paris?
No, but I would love to go.
How do you relax?
I watch TV and read.
How long have you been working here?
I've been working here for 7 years.
When will he be back?
He will be back in 30 minutes.
What is your favorite drink?
Orange juice is my favorite.
What kind of films do you like?
I'm a fan of horror and action films.
Where do you study?
I'm a student at Cambridge University.
What time do you go to school?
I head to school at 7 o'clock a.m.
How do you get to school?
I usually take the bus
Why are you studying English?
because it's very important and necessary.
What's on your mind?
It's not your business.
What did you do last night?
I went to the park.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can ride a bike.
Do you have any allergies?
No, I don't have any allergies.
Can you dance?
Yes, I can dance a little.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee.
What's your dad's favorite hobby?
My dad likes gardening.
How many people are in your family?
There are 4 people in my family.
What language does your family speak?
We speak English at home.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a brother.
What day is it today?
It's Monday.
What time is it?
It's 4 o'clock.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I enjoy exploring new places.
Can I help you with anything?
No, I am good. Thanks.
What is your favorite food?
I love pizza.